This is Michael from Village Island. How are you? Today I'd like to talk about the AI100, our new ST2110 real-time analyzer and generator. It comes in two forms, a server type, 1IU, or a portable 3IU type like this one, with front panel touchscreen. And both types actually are fit with 100 gigs interface for high throughput and SDI connector, because it can actually convert your ST2110 stream to SDI up to 8K resolution. It's fit with USB and HDMI interface, so you can operate it from mouse and keyboard, or you can operate it from WebGUI. So it supports the 2022-7 for redundant fail-safe reception. It supports the NMOS, so you can plug in your network and tune to the stream very easily. Let me power it up, connect it, and show you the WebGUI for the control and the settings. See you in a second. Hello again. So let me show you the unit. I'm connecting from my laptop so I can capture the stream. I'm using the test generation function of the device to generate a HD 60p output stream, but I could actually generate a 4K or a 8K stream. And I'm looping it back directly to the unit. It's possible without using a switch and a PTP boundary switch. So I won't show you the PTP, but I will show you the PTP later. So if you go to the menu, you see that you got this main view, which is actually a mix of 4 quadrants, which you can freely assign to any of those detailed setting and monitoring view. So let me start by the setting of the system. So you can configure your input, what time of video input, in this case here -22, what time of audio ancillary you want to receive. Do you want what type of class for the ST2022-7 redundant reception. You can configure your data stream, multicast address for video, audio, and ancillary on each of the inputs. And then you get this test generator function, where you select the type of ST2110, the resolution frame rate, what type of test pattern you want to generate. You want to put a moving ball in it with some settings. You can configure the audio channels. Here is the settings for the first 16 channels with each individual frequency setting. And you can configure your ancillary, and then you set up your multicast output settings. You have some generic network settings for the data ports and for your Ethernet, and some settings for your capture. So basically you can capture the stream as a PCAP file, which is useful after if you want to browse it through Wireshark, for instance, or some other software. You can set up the headphone output if you want to listen some of the audio channel with individual assignment for each of for each channel. Okay, and in terms of analyzing window, you got 5 groups. One is IP, the other one is video, the other one is audio, the other one is ancillary, and the other one is PTP. Okay? And each of those views, you can combine them in the main view here. Alright? So I'm going to the IP status. You got 6 streams because you have the video, the audio, and the ancillary, one for each of the port. Because of the redundancy, the 2022-7, you get those settings, the bit rate, and some generic information about it. And then you got your input IP buffer reception status check. So you have 2 models according to the ST2110-21. You got the CMAX and you got the VRX model, and you can choose to validate your reception packet against this model. Alright? And then you can also have timing comparison for each of the video, audio, and ancillary. It will show you the reception time and you have some more menu to come. When you go to the video settings, of course you get the video decoding view, and you get some status. What is the bitrate, what is the packet count, what is the format that you receive. It will make some graph showing the reception over time. And then you have some packet header analysis. So for the IP packet, you got the Ethernet layer with the MAC information, the IP packet, the UDP header, the RTP header, and then comes the JPEG-XS header and payload. If you go to the header, you will find those details, the frame count, and then you come into the specific of the video support box, where you confirm the video information, the profile and level, for instance, or you go to your color specification box to confirm your color, or your code stream data. Some details maybe need to be checked with your stream. Sometimes error on your network or within your equipment may be explained in regard to those details. So you have this view also that is a format comparison of the both redundant input. Then you get the audio. So you see here a 16 channel, and you can go up to 32. Here I'm only generating 16. You can have status to build graph of showing the amount of packet received per second. You can change the time interval for it, and you can have also header analysis for IP you get. And finally you got ancillary packet monitoring analysis and some IP, UDP, RTP packets checking. Then we get the specific menu for the PTP. Let me pause and show you another video explaining about the PTP. Thanks so much. Alright, so here you have the PTP view showing you the status related to the PTP. So you can see in real time the port status of data 1 and 2 with the protocol, the bitrate involved, and the address and port, as well as the PTP domain number. And then in this lower section, we can get the status in detail for each port, including the synchronization status, which can be logged, listening, unlocked, ready. Here it's ready. The grandmaster ID, the domain ID, the details of the profile, the actual time, and measured timing, as well as the difference between T2 and T1, or T3 and T4, which are related to the synchronization process. On this lower part, we can see the time of fluctuation in nanoseconds, allowing user to adjust the display time resolution from 2 minutes to 24 hours. Thanks for watching.